Right, we're done. We're done. Anyway, so we're done. 10 to 3. Go get some juice, but we're done. Finito. Guy's over at Moon. He's got his money's worth, more so actually, but I've sort of had a bit of a pick on his job, so I've let him have a good price, and everybody's happy. Lads seem happy on site that I've been working with. The actual builder is not the initial guy that got me on job, so that's another nice contact that I've got, hopefully. And I'm just going to have to cut you short here and get a little bit of petrol, diesel in fact. Right, where was I? Got some juicing. So anyway, guy paid me up front. He said, how much do you want? And we'll cut a deal. He's got a good deal out there, but we'll meet again. I've had a steady 3 days. I've not killed myself. The little tiles. And everybody thinks I'm Superman again because of how much I've done. I'm just an average white boy bringing home the bacon or bringing home the sausages or just, you know, business as usual. Now I'm in right lane because I got shit yesterday or the day before off taxi driver for not being in right lane. He was right about here. And he was shaking his fist and ranting and raving. And I'm like, whoa baby, chill. Chill. Anyway, we're here. Seeing a lot more cyclists on these little cycles like the old school Amsterdam bikes. That is a bright, multicoloured orange and green bus. Anyway, home time, and it's Thursday. Now I could work tomorrow if I wanted to, but I'm going to wait till next week. Well, we've got to go on foot. 2 or 3 tiles on that a plumber had to take off, obviously because the tiles are in his way. There we go. So we'll do that. We'll go back 10 o'clock in the morning. Come back. Filter. Well, I'll be on computer, so that's it's my passion. It's one of them. So it's not work. If something starts to become hard or it's working, well, you know, it's not an hobby anymore, is it? It's not a passion. So much that we're going to talk about and just go to that petrol station train of thought. Something I've noticed actually while we're on about bikes and cycling is yesterday a guy on a bike and he had a light and it was flashing, a little flashing light, and it caught my attention. I thought, yeah, good idea.